Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make a website for free on Android. Okay friends, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please watch the video up to end. So let's start our video. First open Play Store and search Blogger. And click install. Now open the app. So first we need to sign in with Google. We sign in with an account. After sign in, then click on the create a blog. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. So for example, and then click next. This web address is how people will find your blog online. So for example, BVS website, and click on next. And how do you want your name display to read of your blog? So choose your display name. For example, I choose BVS and click on next. Then your blog was creating. The website was published. After, choose a title of our website. So we need to edit. So click on the edit icon and choose a title. For example, how to make a website, and what you need to create your post in website, and click on next. And write, for example, in follow these steps. And click on write. At the bottom in the label, write blogger. And finally click on that and click publish. So the website was published, and click on your website and view the post. So our website was completed. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.